Take a moment real quick to look at your phone's settings. I want you to tell me if your phone is locked or unlocked. No, not like lock screen locked, but carrier locked. So if you want to put a different SIM card in your phone, can you do that? Most phones, if you buy them from the manufacturer, you can do that. But some phones, you can't. And you have to have them on a contract for a set amount of time before you can do that. Or do you? Now, I've seen a couple of these floating around here and there, but I've never really bid. You know, like, oh, it's a cool concept, but like, I don't think it works. Well, today we're gonna find out if unlimited unlock SIMs can actually unlock your phone. And for potential comedic effect, I'm going to be doing it my own personal daily driver iPhone. What could go wrong? All right, so Future Jake here. I already shot this video. I wanted to add this in at the beginning because I forgot to do it while I was shooting. Thank you to every single one of you. We hit 800 subscribers over the weekend. 800, that's a lot. That's like 750, 760 more than I thought I would actually get doing this. You guys are crazy. Thank you to every single one of you that subscribes, likes my videos, has conversations with me in the comments, even just watches my videos. Thank you. You mean more to me than I can portray to you in this video. So thank you guys. I love you all. See you guys at 900. So this one that I ordered was about $10 to $12 with taxes and everything included. And it came in this very nondescript purple envelope. I'm not gonna flip it around because I have no intentions of doxing myself. This is it. I mean, it comes in one of those like credit card kind of holders like most SIM cards do. And they even include a SIM pick tool. And the instructions say, for help and support, please visit our website. Don't forget to leave feedback, www.unlimitedunlocksim.com. So you have pretty much everything you need to start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this iPhone XR, and if we come over here to my iPhone up here, I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but this says it is SIM locked. So that means this phone in particular is locked to Straight Talk. So if I put an AT&T SIM or a Verizon SIM or Boost Mobile, whatever SIM I put in here, unless it's a Straight Talk, I'm not gonna get service. And that kind of sucks if you're someone who switches carriers but doesn't want to switch your phone. This little guy right here claims to solve that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop out the SIM card tray, and then we're going to go to their website, which I actually already have pulled up here. It's unlimitedunlocksim.com. And what you do is you copy the Current Icc Id, just like that, or you can type it in manually if you can't necessarily copy it. And then we're going to put the unlock SIM into the SIM tray, just like you would with any other SIM card. Slide it into the iPhone, and it's going to bring you to the hello screen, say that activation is required, and it's going to give you this: primary, please input ICCID. What we're going to do is we're going to paste it. I'm going to leave the Current Icc Id in the description below, so you guys can copy it from there if you want. So I'm going to send. I'm going to swipe up. It's going to say software update is complete. You do have to be on the latest version of iOS for this. However, their servers can update for newer versions of iOS, which we're going to test here with my iPhone 12 that is running iOS 15 beta 2. So we're going to hit continue. It's going to try to unlock the phone. It says it may take a few minutes. Enable Face ID, which we're going to set up later. And not put in a passcode. Don't use. Don't share. Continue. Swipe up. So it says in the top corner that we don't have service, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the SIM. And actually, real quick, I want to come into settings, probably close it out and then reopen it just to refresh it. And come into settings, go to general and about, and we scroll down, see it says no SIM restrictions. This is an unlocked iPhone now. And to prove it, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my current Verizon SIM card into the SIM tray and insert it to the phone. It says no service, but it is searching. Now it says Verizon. I'm actually gonna turn off my Wi-Fi just to prove that I do have data. Boom. Right there, it said LTE for a second. Still thinking, yep, LTE, and then 3 bars. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to youtube.com/c/Technology&Toys. Now, Verizon service isn't great in my area. The only reason I have this is for another video I'm working on. You can see it's thinking and it's loading the website slowly, again, because in my area Verizon sucks. But you can see it's getting there. Maybe I probably should have tried loading something a little less resource intensive, so maybe we'll go just Google. Wow, I'm really getting like no service right now. That's cool. Only when I want to film does my service and signal suck. But this is no fault of the phone. Again, my area is, oh, hey, Hey, there we go. There we go. It's starting to connect. Let's check on our Google page. Still thinking, but you know, it's Verizon's fault. And it's slowly loading in because I have Verizon data on this once straight talk phone. I'm going to take my primary AT&T SIM out of my main phone. I'm going to slide it into the 10R. We're going to check in Control Center. Boom, AT&T. It's thinking LTE. Boom, YouTube.com, loaded flawlessly. Google.com. Boom, flawlessly. And then just to prove the amount of faith I have, I want to do this to my main iPhone. So if this gets screwed up, I will probably cry after I finish shooting this video. So it says no SIM card installed. I'm going to put the unlock SIM into my SIM tray. I'm going to insert the unlock SIM. It's going to bring me to the hello screen. It's going to say activation required, software update complete, although it hasn't asked me to put in the ICCID, so that's interesting. Oh, that's why, because it's going to activation lock, because I have my data in here. I use my device passcode because I don't want to like dox myself. Yeah, I agree to the terms of service. Welcome to iPhone. Now if I go to settings, general, about, hey, there it is again, no SIM restrictions. And now I'm going to eject the unlock card. And we already know that my AT&T SIM card works in here because this is my daily driver phone and I am an AT&T subscriber. But what about a Verizon SIM card? Well, everything worked. I should have Verizon service now. LTE, Verizon LTE. So now let's try something that they don't guarantee works, and that is unlocking iOS 15, because iOS 15 technically isn't out yet, so they don't have support for it. We're gonna try it anyways because I wanna know if it actually works. So we have my iPhone 12, and go to about, and it's gonna say SIM lock, and I believe this is AT&T locked because I had to put my SIM into it to set it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first go to the website, limitedunlocksim.com, copy the ICCID, pop the tray, put the unlock SIM in. It's gonna try to activate. It's probably gonna yell at me for activation lock again. All right, so if we go to settings, general, about, no SIM restrictions, pop the card, try Verizon. Again, it's probably gonna be slow as molasses, but for the purpose of the video, I will try it. Verizon LTE. 3 bars. We'll go to Safari and let their website load. There you go, works like a charm. My AT&T SIM back in here, drop the phone, because that's essential for this part of the process. I have 5G now. Hold up, because I had 5G-E before. I had that fake 5G. Do I have legitimate 5G now? Just from the unlock SIM? AT&T LTE, but that said 5G. Whatever, I don't care. But it works. It worked on all 3 of these devices, and it also has worked on my dozen other iPhones that I've tried it on. So are these little unlock SIM cards a scam? Well, they do exactly what is advertised, so on that, by definition, no. I don't think they're a scam. It might be shady, might be sketchy, but it's definitely not illegal because you own the phone. It's your phone. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. I bought this as like a joke, maybe like I'll make a funny hacky Instagram video out of it, but like this actually works. Now I'll leave the link to the one that I bought down below because I know this works. It is from Facebook, so tread carefully, but I'm sure that most other unlock SIMs kind of like this, or I think you can even buy it from their website, but most other SIMs like this should work. So no, I don't think they're a scam, or at least this one, I don't think this one's a scam. Should you do it? That's up to you. Are you leaving your carrier and want to keep the same phone? I'd give it a shot. I don't think it's gonna destroy your phone, because if it would have, I mean, with the number of phones I've tried it with, one of my phones probably would have stopped working by now. I'm not promoting a specific brand or specific variant of this. I'm just leaving this one down in the description because I know it works. Now you know that you don't need to use your carrier to unlock your phone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, tell me down below what service do you currently have, and I will see you guys in the next video.